Yo, what's good, fam? Let's keep it all the way real. No Disney filter, no cap. Here's the wildest plot twist about love nobody says out loud. Giving love is 100% unconditional, but getting love back? That joint always comes with fine print. By the time you hit 30, 40, life done showed you the receipts. All them fairy tale happily. Ever after stories from when we were kids. Cute lies at best. Love don't slide in because you've been a good boy or good girl. It don't stay just because you held it down, stayed loyal, swallowed your feelings, or checked every box. Some of y'all done emptied your whole tank into somebody, drop by drop, just to watch them let it drip through their fingers like it was nothing. Some still sharing a bed, same address, same last name, but feel like strangers passing ships in the hallway. Others been hopping from body to body, thinking the next I love you gonna finally patch the hole inside, and every time it just echoes louder, you start asking why something that's supposed to be natural got more terms and conditions than an iPhone update. Somewhere along the line, we swapped real love for a knockoff wearing love's jersey. Rom, the sandbox days, the world been whispering the same scam. Love is something you got to audition for. Act right, look right, perform right, and maybe you'll get picked. Be useful, be pretty, be strong, be chill, be whatever they need, and they'll keep you around. That ain't love, gang. That's employment with extra kissing. Two people stuck in a contract calling it relationship goals. Long as both sides keep paying the monthly fee, attention, sex, ego strokes, whatever, the account stays open. Soon as one stops depositing, account closed, no warning. Don't matter if y'all got 10 years, kids, a mortgage, matching tattoos, the invisible spreadsheet still gets pulled out and balanced. That's why people wake up midlife shook, staring at their soulmate like, who the hell are you? Because what they thought was love was just a long-term deal, and the terms changed. People change, bodies change, needs change, and a contract built on 2015 versions of y'all can't flex with 2025 reality. When the perks run out, comfort, looks, money, energy, whatever, the mask slips. The sweetness you thought was their personality was actually just good customer service. Once you stop being a vending machine of whatever they wanted, the warmth turns off like a light switch. You realize you weren't loved, you were subscribed to. Real love ain't a subscription, ain't a chain. Ain't I scratch your back if you scratch mine. Real love is straight freedom. It's showing up full and letting it spill over. Just because spilling feels good, no invoice attached, no remember when I... Receipts. But here's the cold part. You can't pour from an empty cup. If you're starving for love, every drop you give got invisible strings on it. You watching, weighing, waiting for the return on investment. When it don't come back, resentment starts growing like mold. You can't love free till you stop begging to be loved. And the only way to stop begging is to realize you already got an unlimited supply from the source that made you. Call it God, the universe, whatever. That joint loved you into existence before you could do a single thing right or wrong. Sun don't invoice the earth for shining. It just shines and the whole sky lights up. Once you lock into that, you love like the sun, not for the thank you, not for the I owe you, but because that's what suns do. Nobody can take that from you. That's your love to give forever. Getting loved back, that's always going to be out of your hands. People give it when they feel it, take it when they don't. It's win, not a contract. Catch it while it's blowing, enjoy it, but don't try to cage it. Because the second you clutch, it turns into guilt trips, resentment, or straight jail. You already loved on a level no human can revoke. That's facts. So the move is simple. Fill your own cup first. Not ego, not fake I'm good alone flex, real self-love that says I'm whole with or without you. Then when two full cups link up, it ain't two halves making a whole, it's two holes overflowing and making a mess in the best way. No scorekeeping, no drought, no if you leave I'm broken. That's the only love that don't turn toxic. Rare as hell, but real. Most of us out here looking for somebody to complete us when we were never incomplete. You keep meeting takers because you're still halfway empty. Fill up, watch the whole game change. People who also full-grown recognize you from a mile away, no explanation needed. Stop asking who gon' love me. Start asking how do I overflow so hard love can't help but spill everywhere. When love stops being a plea and turns into a flex, you won't chase it, you'll just shine. And everybody who's ready gonna feel the warmth automatic, that's the bag.